You. Oh, you come inside as if you rape me.
I man have better taste than that. But come if it's a bumper.
Oh, so you are the Bobo Dread. We are this bumper for the white gal. Eh?
Blessed. Everything is everything, you know.
So how you get inside here?
The door was wide open, sister.
Well, close it on your way out now.
Yo. How you deal with Rasta, sir?
Oh, you want me to deal with you? Poor Kita.
Pork. You mentioned that in front of the Ras. Rasta no deal with them things there.
Me see up on my friend video. I eat our pork. You can imagine when I send that video to Jamaica. I see the Bobo Dread and yam pussy. You have to go trim.
Fireburn from Babylon. You was wicked for do that to Rasta. I did not eat that ranking meat. I was unconscious.
Unconscious? So how you know say it ranked?
Yeah.
Aye, tell me something. Why is it that Ras like you always affair there with a white woman over a black woman? What them have?
Katrina.
What?
That's my wife's name, Katrina.
Whatever. You see me a half Chinese. But me love my black man. Because all of them can walk this your body, yeah. So tell me, Bobo, why is it that a Ras like you always affair there with a white woman over a black woman? Why?
It not have nothing to do with color. It have to do with spirituality. You see, white women just more revolve, more intelligent. I mean, you check the black woman passage through the history of time. Always planning the black man downfall with a constant bickering and a suffering and a greed. Them is like parasite.
You don't talk, Batty boy.
I can't believe what happened in the end.
Oh, go on. You see that girl about the place in the park?
Why you want to know that?
I'm a woman, you know, and I try to find her.
I don't really inform her, you know. I don't really do the inform thing, so I don't know. And plus, my memory not so good like that, so I not gonna remember, you know.
Oh, this could have boost up your memory, though. I can boost up your memory.
I mean, a short-term memory me have still, so I can remember a little thing, but nah guarantee I remember the full thing.
Remember good now?
Oh, yeah, man, I can remember a thing now, man. I can remember one thing now, I remember something, man. Yeah, I see her.
Where you see her?
Yeah, at this so now me have memory problem now, you know. Cause as I tell you, my memory not so good. You see, I not really remember the full thing them like that.
Remember good,
Yeah, man, yeah, I remember now, man.
Please.
I remember one, two thing now, man. Do you see another plum tree there, so?
Are you playing? What type of playing is this?
What should I do?
You see a thing, you know. But I just remember.
Blood clot.
So I don't know if I can help me remember. Boy, I don't think that enough memory from my brain, you know, cause you have to remember say my memory not so good, you know. Yeah, and a whole heap of things I think about daytime, so yeah, you really have to help me remember that one, you know. Oh yeah man, I remember good now, man. I remember everything clear. Everything clear, I remember, yeah? I see her under the plum tree with a man, and them there do activities. If you want to know the kind of activities, you have to help me remember that. You know that you can't give me a free memory? Hey, no, I know so my brain work. Bumbo class, how you do me, sir? I know so my brain work. My brain need food. I give the whole of my money, you know. Can't operate without food. I give the whole of my money, you can't give me a free memory. Yeah, me I say no, my general, you sound like you know I'm to remember nothing, you know. So here what, me I lift up. I don't see where you're depend. Blood clot. Don't see where you're depend. I'm not too depend on that, yeah? Blood. See where
Hi, Prince Aretha. I've been thinking about you.
What him doing?
Whenever we quarrel him, pretend to call him girlfriend.
Me I call it from my new black cherry.
Black cherry?
You know, make me jealous. You think I don't know that you're not talking to anybody?
That's what you thought. Sorry about that, Punsi.
Well, hey, you're going to need the phone battery.
Prince Aretha, make me put in the phone battery and call you back.
Black cherry. Oh, Prince Aretha.
Honey, can I ask you a question? It's about the children. I want them to come and live with us.
No, they are not my responsibility.
But you're them stepfather.
Step your claw through my door.
But after them own a father don't want to look after them.
And you expect me to? Is that fair? Eh? Is that answer me?
No.
I didn't hear you.
I said no.
So why the backside you pressuring me to look after another man's sperm? Eh? Why?
Well, how you have to take the calf to dog?
Ah! Baby, you not ready.
So what am I supposed to do?
What you ask me for? I mean to breed you? I mean breed you? Eh? What? Hey! Keep out of this, it don't concern you.
How you expect me to feel, eh? How you expect me to feel? Every day you walk up and down with your children and picture in your pocket. How you expect me to feel?
I don't give a backside how you want to feel. I'm my picture them. Me walk with them if I want to. I can't walk with them, picture them frame a whole album if I want to.
Charles.
Eh?
Are the sun or the moon that?
I don't know, you know, I don't live in this area.
By the way, you was late this morning.
I know, but I couldn't help it. I had was to go down to the police station.
For what?
My brother is with the police.
I didn't know so your brother in the police force.
No, man, you're mad. He have ambition. He is not a police, but the police hold him.
So what them hold him for?
Because them see me walk with his finger like this, because he have stiff finger, and them hold him say he's a pickpocket.
Ah, so your brother is a pocket picket?
No, man. He is not a pocket picket. I mean, picket pocket. No, he's nothing like that, man. That's why I go and bail him.
You're still late?
Yes, but on my way back I get a puncture tire.
Then how you manage to puncture your tire?
Me run over one bottle.
So, voila. You never see the bottle?
No. The drunk man have it in his pocket.
You're still late?
Yes, but at the same time now the truck driver run over my brother.
So, the driver never see your brother?
Yes, but he never knows I'm my brother. He not even know me.
So your brother dead?
No. But the doctor said if he not dead, he will live. You're going to call me fool again?
Yes, a big man like you so stupid.
Tell me, you know how old I am?
Of course.
How old am I?
Hola. $32.
How you know?
Because I have a little brother who is 16 and him is a half idiot. This is my wife and this is my side chick, but I'm breaking up with both of them. You know why? Who is low battery?
Low battery is my man.
Because I was looking at your phone and her phone and I saw a message flash across the phone screen. Low battery, battery low, 15%. And I'm asking you who is low battery and you say is your man? Low battery is your man. So, who is fully charged? Battery low, low battery, low battery. Give me the laugh like the last video. Rough.
Jamaica is not a real place.
Hello, it's me, yeah. I just got my phone on lock and it's working now. I can use it, I can call you anytime.
Papi, it is your girlfriend, Papi?
Yeah, that's my heartbeat. Yeah, and leave some of that stew piece for me with that saltfish tail in it. You know I like that, yeah.
Papi, it's
1 minute.
$5,000, Papi.
1 minute. How much?
$5,000, Papi.
1 minute. Lock it back. Mr. Phil, lock it back.
Rather me not to like me enjoy myself tonight, man. Champagne pop, bottles pop. But right now me hungry. Pull up at the McDonald's and me order something.
Welcome to McDonald's. Can I take your order?
Yes, I'd like a Happy Meal, a McDouble, a McChicken, and a Big Whopper, a Whopper Junior, and one sour cream barbecue sauce, 3 Sprite, and 3 nuggets, please.
Hold on them, man. How who I go pay for all of that way does order?
But now you take me out of my friend them, me hungry.
Me never blood clot carrier yourself harder the whole blood clot menu. You harder Happy Meal, Simple Meal, Flappy Meal, every blood clot meal. Oh, you love your belly, so man.
Look here! And you take me out of a blood clot house. And now you carry up on the blood clot street. Me hungry and me need food. No! Me want food. No! You gonna feed me? No!
I want to find a mad girl, your father God, you youth. How when them find a mad girl and me done with this? Take the car, bitch! Take the car! Let's see the next time me and your parent a boy even look on you too hard and I call to you and you even smile, you're gonna know what gonna happen to you.
I wanted that boy, man.
What do who?
We don't stop watch me.
Who I watch you? I want you.
Our face, man.
So we ain't gonna blood clot do about it. Yeah. Stop blood clot this up. Hey boy, how we are rank with? Make me blood clot joke. Me want dead today. No naked man can blood clot save the general. Hey boy, you wanna do? Try set me up like no doubt. I've been you now try to get something to talk about me. As a matter of fact, me never want blood clot joke today again.
I'm keep it real with y'all tonight. I never said this one here, but this is the true story. You know what I learned about all West Indians? That y'all don't know each other's name at work. Like black and Spanish people, we know everybody at the job. I don't give a fuck if we get the job for a week. We know every nigga at that job. The first day you get the job, you introduce yourself. You get there, you like, hey, I'm like, hey, I'm Rashid. Hey, Rashid, I'm Dave. Dave, nice to meet you. I'm Rashid. I'm Charles. Charles, my pleasure. I'm Rashid. I'm John. John, nice to meet you. West Indian. Y'all niggas call each other by the name of the job you do. Fellas, you ever work construction? You ever hear this shit? Carpenter. Call an electrician and tell him to blow my loaf out here. The guy at the job get died. The West Indian dude don't even know who died. You get to work the next day, your man John be like, Dave died. You like, Dave died? How the fuck Dave died? He said when y'all left, he was working on the window. He fell out the window. The police, the media, everybody was here. You can't believe this shit. You like, what? You tell a Jamaican dude, you like, Winston, Dave, Dad, he keep on working. No, I'm sorry, I don't know no Dave. You like, nigga, Dave. Dave, that work with you every fucking day. Dave, fuck is you saying? You fell out the fucking window and died, you gonna fucking say you don't know Dave? What's wrong with you? This nigga keep right on working. Really? That's fucked up, you know. Nigga, that's all you gonna say is that's fucked up, stupid idiot. Dave, your partner, the carpenter. Bombaclad! Carpenter dead! How the carpenter dead? You know what I say, carpenter dead? You said deal. I don't know no deal. Carpenter me know. Can't go to work today, my youth. Carpenter dead. Well, she said deal. I don't know no deal. Then the Jamaicans say some funny shit. They say some shit like, my heart hurting. My heart hurting me, you know. Your heart. Then they put the H where it don't belong. Yes, inside my body. My heart hurting. This shit is crazy. Is that life for me? Okay. I got a before
That me I tell you, brother, if you want my shoes in my you, me get make you go bust it on them. I pay them no man, no dog. If you want weed, me buy a pound of weed gear in the dog. Brother, if you want my girl, me gear my girl for fuck her, brother. They say it there. You feel a joke? They say you like. Watch her. Okay. You see that? Pussy fat, dog. Anytime you're ready for fuck my girl, make me know, dog. That's for the support, that's me assure you. Bro, and that is all I need. Only support. Yeah, that. Because all the things said right now in the dog, my man is not a bad man, but I be a bad man. That me I tell you, I'm not chopping on you, I'm not cutlass in a link in the dog. Nah, run left here now. That me I tell you, daddy, the thing different now, daddy. The man can ramp with you like how them usually
Give me every blood clot, bumper ass clot, punani, pump, pussy clot, everything. Where say I do the right thing now?
So, oh, you say you're a thief and you don't even have no gun or knife or rob me nothing with. I say you just rob me unarmed. Yo, you're bait, you know. Yo, you're bigger bait than me, brother. I show your face them thumping. Where you do right now, no make no sense. Me I tell you. Oh, look clap, joke.
Come on, relax yourself, Benji.
Just a come from the machine, I'll be a fly them give me, just don't kill me for that, please, me I beg you.
Phone, man.
Phone, just don't take my life, please, me have 2 after here, and me can't dead.
Relax yourself, man, calm yourself. Me now make a deal with your answer, man, relax yourself, brethren. Respect for food, same way, you know. Yeah, man, respect, see. Dog shit, boy, man. I should up your blood clot, sir.
Accident.
You're batting on a man as to blood clot.
You pull out the gun. You pull out the gun and frighten me. So that's why that happened.
Me nobody want to rob you.
Let me show you this as an example. You see your youth them. You see like how you love them. And you show them love.
When you come a road and see other people picnic love them same way and show them love. Cause you see if you not do that, people are gonna eat for you picnic them like poison. And you not gonna like it, brother. And you gonna consider say what happen make people eat for you picnic them so who for picnic your blood clot like? Talk to me no man, who for picnic you like? So people are idiot for you and for your bumbo clot picnic them. Eh? People are idiot for you and them. Yeah, I wanna know like nobody and them picnic. You know kiss people ass and fuck off.
Yes, sir.
I mean I talk.
Yeah, man, that's
remember good man. How you share, how your blood clot eat. No say you go. Alright, how you spread your bed and say you lie down.
Yes, sir.
Yeah man, so if you spread tough bed, my soft bed you want to lay down for me spread.
And a tough bed.
And a tough bed you spread. Go on where you go.
Was sleeping and
We were sleeping.
Yeah, and
We were sleeping. Hear Prince screaming. When Prince screaming, it's water. When you jump up and look, there is water. Many water, like Elsha. That type of water was there. And we want back everything. Cause from we live here on Sunlight Street, from here 2 months old, just born out of my mother. Left here. From me at 29, me left Sunlight Street, so here me never have been seen my yard flood out yet. Or any house in the carpet here in Sunlight Street flood out yet. Never had been seen this yet. I there here before my maiden take and we never see it yet. So anybody see them lie, cause we never see it yet. I want back.
What you do from school so late? What you do from
No,
school so
mommy.
late? No, mommy? No, mommy, what? Listen what? Listen to
Rain
what?
did a fall.
Rain did a fall down your toe. Eh? Rain did a fall down your toe.
No, mommy, listen.
Me fi listen?
No, when school over.
When school over? Eh?
No, he did this, Mr. Late too. He did this. He did this, Mr. Late too, mommy. Because we did at the concert at NI school, Miss, mommy. And then after that, now, when we got to the rain,
Like I'm frightened after reaching.
Aww. You love Beba? Tell Beba I love you. That carry your foot stink, man. Your shoes wet up.
I really love fall off.
Alright, pause right there. Before anybody rushes to laugh, argue, defend, or attack in the comments, I want us to slow down for a moment. What you just watched wasn't just a random comedy skit. It was exaggerated, chaotic, uncomfortable, and at times shocking. And that was intentional. Jamaican and Caribbean comedy has always been more than entertainment. Historically, it has been a tool for survival, resistance, and truth-telling. When people didn't have platforms, power, or microphones, they used humor to talk about things society refused to address openly. So instead of asking, was this funny? We should be asking, why does this feel familiar? In many Caribbean spaces, comedy becomes the safest way to talk about hard realities. Relationships, money stress, power struggles, responsibility, and emotional neglect. People laugh not because everything is okay, but because laughter makes the truth easier to swallow. The characters you saw weren't created out of thin air. They are exaggerations of real personalities that exist in everyday life. When comedy magnifies behavior, it exposes patterns that we have normalized. And that's where discomfort comes in. Because when something feels too close to home, it stops being funny. One of the strongest themes in this skit is communication failure. People talking at each other instead of listening. Arguments replacing conversations. ego replacing empathy. Many relationships don't fail because of lack of love. They fail because of lack of emotional intelligence. People are hurt, stressed, insecure, and instead of expressing that vulnerability, they express control, sarcasm, or aggression. Comedy exaggerates this to show how ridiculous it looks from outside, but painful it feels on the inside. Another uncomfortable truth highlighted here is responsibility. Who is responsible for what? Who carries emotional, financial, and psychological weight? And who avoids it? There are real conversations people avoid because they are uncomfortable. Comedy forces them into the open. It exposes how people sometimes want benefits without effort. And when those expectations clash, chaos follows, just like in the skit. Let's be honest. People don't get offended because something is false. They get offended because it feels too true. Comedy doesn't invent problems. It highlights them. And when we see ourselves, our families, or our past experiences reflected on screen, the instinct is to reject it. But rejection doesn't erase reality. This is why people laugh, some people argue, and some people completely shut down. Everyone reacts based on what the skit mirrors back to them. In communities shaped by economic pressure, generational trauma, and survival mode, humor becomes emotional armor. Laughing is easier than unpacking pain. Joking is safer than vulnerability. But comedy also sneaks truth past our defenses. It forces conversations without formal debates or lectures. That's why skits like this go viral. Not because they are perfect, but because they are relatable. Instead of turning this into a battle between genders, cultures, or personalities, maybe the better response is reflection. Ask yourself, what part of this felt familiar? What part made me uncomfortable? What conversations am I avoiding in my own life? Growth doesn't start with denial. It starts with honesty. This skit isn't here to insult or divide. It's here to provoke thought. You don't have to agree with everything in it. But if it made you pause, react, or reflect, then it served its purpose. Comedy has always been a mirror. And mirrors don't lie. They reveal. If you appreciate content that goes beyond surface level entertainment and challenges us to think deeper, like this video. If you want more Caribbean commentary that explores culture, relationships, and social realities, subscribe to the channel. And if you have a different perspective, share it in the comments respectfully. Dialogue is how understanding begins. Thank you for watching. One love.